guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Wills, and on my channel I'm sharing information about transcription work, which is categorized under typing jobs. Now you can be making significant amounts of money from transcription work. For example, you could be making $25 an hour just doing transcription work, where you listen to an audio and write down in text form. So in the course of before we start the transcription work, you will need to know the requirements for applying for these jobs. Some people have been asking me about how do I get started, how do I apply for transcription jobs. Now when you head over to most of the companies' websites where transcriptionists are being hired, you will come across an application form, and you will be required to submit a CV or resume. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your CV in an effective way, so that you get a quick approval into the system. So if this makes sense to you, and if you are interested in learning how to become a transcriptionist, then you need to subscribe to my channel so that you can continue learning and getting reliable and credible information that you can use to get started with transcription work. So today's tutorial is focused on how you can prepare your CV. I will be focusing on the important details, that is the experience, the skills that you are required to show, and maybe the education, which is not very much important. Okay, so without wasting too much time, let's get into the first part of the video. So I'm going to use a template that I've developed over time to guide you on how you can prepare your CV. So the first part is your name, whereby you can edit the first part and put your full name. So if you are called John, maybe the next part is Marwa. That's how you put. Then you put your email address. You can just edit the email address here. Then you put your phone number. Okay, so that's how you can simply do the contact information part. Then personal summary, you should just try and write 2 or 3 sentences. For example, I'm just giving an example. You can say dedicated and committed transcriptionist, ready to work and produce high quality transcripts. Then you can add another sentence and say I'm very keen on details and deliver all my work within the stipulated deadline. So you can simply put 2 sentences as that as your summary. Then you can now move to the work experience. Now this is where it is very important to highlight that you've worked as a transcriptionist and you need to be creative. Okay, if you are just fresh from college or if you are still a university student, you need to be creative. I'll just give an example. You are still in campus, you don't have any transcription experience. You can say you are a volunteer. Transcriber. Okay, then maybe mention your institution. If you are from Kenyatta University, you say you are from Kenyatta University. Then you insert the date, let's say 2022. We are then the month is, let's say 7. If it's current, you say current. Maybe say to date. Okay, so you do that. Then you, under accomplishments, you need to state what you are able to accomplish. For example, you can say transcribed academic lectures. Edited transcripts from other transcribers. So you should format it properly. So what else? You can say you conducted spelling and grammar check for students. So that's how you can simply do your work experience. So you do this and then add at least 3 work experiences. If you don't have, you can put 1. Then you put your education. You say you have KCSE. You say your institution, Alliance High School. Then you put your year when you completed. If you completed in 2015, you say 2015. Maybe November. Then you started 2011 January. See that? That's how simple you put your education. If you are a university graduate, you put the name of your university and so on. Then we have here where you highlight skills. It is very important to highlight the skills that will make you a good fit for this transcription work. So skill number 1, you say you are good in typing. You can also say that you are a good communicator. You can also say that you can do editing. These are skills that are associated with transcription. You can also say that you are good at comprehension. Then lastly, you can say that you can do grammar and spell check. See, when somebody looks at this CV when it's complete, it tells him or her that you are a very good fit. Now you don't need to put the references, since these people are mostly online and they don't have time to go and check references. You will be engaged as an independent contractor. The hobbies and interests may not be necessary, but you can include if you want. So in simple, that's how you can prepare a very good but effective CV that will ensure that you get approval to start working on transcription jobs. So thank you for watching. The next video I'll be looking at some of the transcription companies that are currently hiring worldwide. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.